Hello, bonjour! 23 years ago, I switched to vegan living food and my life changed overnight. My friends started to call me the Energizer Bunny. They still do today. I will teach you the secret of that stamina. Actually, I'm teaching you that every time I do a video. It's to eat plants. Today, the recipe is a chiffonade kale with a tangy ginger vinaigrette. And it's a liver cleanse in a bowl. So if you like to wake up your metabolism and kill fatigue, stay with me. We put our bowl on our scale, zero the scale, and we do 80 grams of the kale. This is the black kale, the one that has the more nutrients. 80 grams. We'll also do 80 grams of carrots, and the carrots have been washed, and I keep the peel because they're perfectly beautiful. So we don't need to take the peel off. There we go, 80 grams. Ooh, there's a carrot rolling away. And then I'll do also 80 grams of beets. That one I'm gonna grate, so we'll measure as we go. So we start by chiffonade the kale. So to chiffonade, you simply line up a few leaves like this and hold them tight. You roll them if you can. They're too small. I cannot roll them. And again, thumb behind the fingers so that you don't cut your fingers. And then the knife glides like this along the joints, okay? You don't have any fingers out. So you won't cut any fingers. And then you cut. It's about 1/8 of an inch. Between 1/4 and 1/8 of an inch. Go. There. Put that in your bowl. Then the other 2 leaves here. And when you cut the kale this way, it's very easy to eat, not hard to chew. The carrots, we'll use the 𝗀𝗂𝗂𝗏. I'll put the name in the description. It's a kiwi. It's the best. We did many julienne at my cafe, and that's the one that we use. Absolutely the best. I keep turning the carrot, because if you do it just on one side, eventually it will break. So that's why I keep turning it. And there we are. And I start with the bigger end of the carrot too. So keep turning and keep it close to the board. There we are. Our carrots are done. It's going to be a large salad actually. I'm going to have enough for 2 meals. Okay, now what we do, here's the trick. You put your grater in the bowl, zero the scale, because we'll come back and weigh. We want to have 80 grams. And then, and I keep the peel, yes. I wash the beet, I keep the peel. And when you grate the beet, as you can see, I keep turning this way. So I keep going where the angle is instead of the flat surface. And that makes it easier to grate that way. And as you can see too, I didn't cut the end here. I'm keeping all I can of the beet so that I'm not grating my hand. Go, almost there. Let's have a look. Let's see, let's see. So if I put it on the scale now, yes, I'm there. And now we'll just mix the salad a little bit. There we go. I'm keeping the color on top. So I'm not mixing it so I lose the color. Now we're doing the dressing. So we need lemon juice that we juiced ourselves, freshly juiced, grated ginger. You use a microplane like this to grate it. So that's how you do it. Garlic, dates, salt, sea moss. Excellent. That's what goes first in the dressing. So let's do that. Put the scale to 0. And then we put 100 grams of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then we add 20 grams of grated ginger. If you have ginger juice, you do 10 grams. 20 grams. And then we add 12 grams of garlic. So 132. Whoopsies. I need a little one. Let's see on the side here. Yeah, 132. Then we add 24 grams of dates, so 156. See, I should have put some on the side. I had to go back and reach inside. 156, there we are. Half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of the sea moss. It's 92 of the 102 minerals that we need. So I just put it in all my recipes, and then I always have some at each meal. That's the easiest way to do it. And then we blend. Excellent, let's see. We just need to have the date and the garlic that are all blended in the cream, and they are all creamy. Now we add 100 grams of the olive oil. And we add after, because if we were to let it mix so long with the olive oil in it, it would become too like buttery. So that's why we add it after, and then we blend it just a little bit. There you go, that's enough. The other thing that we add to the salad is an avocado. So we'll cut it. Beautiful! You never know what you get, right? There we are. And then take the peel off. Usually that works well. You start where the avocado was attached to the tree, and then you can pull out the peel like that. Usually, it worked well today. Makes me look good. And now we'll slice it so we can fan it after. Like this. Do the other one. There is one thing I forgot to tell you why I was doing it this way. I'm so used to do it, sometimes I skip step. So when you grate beets, instead of grating it on your board, and your board will become all stained with beets, you grate it in the bowl, and that way you don't have that issue. And also, one thing I did that I should have not, which is you weigh it with the grater on, and then you see if you have your quantity. I think I took the grater out, but you leave it in, okay? There, I'll show you how I would build the bowl. So, as I was telling you, I kept the color on top here with the carrots and the beets. Still see the green. Then we have some wild rice. Wild rice has more nutrition than the, well, as you can imagine, than the white rice. And then now we'll fan our avocados to add to the dish. And then here I have some sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is a probiotic. It's excellent for you. So add some sauerkraut. Now you have built your bowl, which is lovely. Look at the color. Look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? And then you can put some of that dressing. The dressing that I did here, the quantity that I did here is, you have 13 servings in that one recipe. And there you are. In no time, you have your meal ready. This is a liver cleanse bowl. So you enjoy eating great food, and at the same time, you help your body, your liver, to cleanse, which will give you energy. The liver is your energy factory. So if it's in great shape, you are in great shape. Ready to be called the Energizer Bunny? Love food that loves you back. Leave me a like, a share, a comment, join the channel. That helps me a lot. I appreciate it a lot. See you in the next one.